In the heart of New York City, a renowned fitness mogul and her family have transformed their living space into a haven of modern simplicity. The apartment renovation, designed to reflect a chic and understated aesthetic, prioritizes spatial clarity, openness, and flexibility. The architectural vision is manifest in clear lines, open layouts, and a flexible design that accommodates the family's dynamic lifestyle. Meticulously chosen subdued materials and precise yet subtle details create an ambience of sophisticated refinement. The interior architecture, acting as a bright canvas, sets the stage for the owner's bold furnishings and captivating artwork. While communal areas and bedrooms embrace vibrancy and expressiveness, a unique emphasis is placed on the bathrooms, especially the master bathroom. Here, the goal is to evoke tranquility, offering a spa-like respite from the bustling Manhattan lifestyle. The careful balance between expressive communal areas and serene private spaces adds depth and versatility to the overall design. The project project's core focus lies in the efficient utilization of space, a critical consideration in Manhattan's urban landscape where space is a precious commodity. Extensive built-in millwork becomes both an integral architectural expression and a practical solution for storage. This dual purpose is particularly crucial for a busy family with 2 young children, ensuring that every inch of space serves a purpose. The renovation not only redefines spatial efficiency but also engages in a visual dialogue between the sleek modern palette and the raw industrial character of the building. Original steel columns, once concealed behind walls, are unveiled during the renovation, transforming into beautiful design elements that offer historical texture. This intentional contrast adds depth and character, breathing new life into the living space that in the heart of Manhattan. This renovation transcends mere aesthetics, embodying a fusion of practicality and elegance. The result is a harmonious blend of expressive communal areas, tranquil private retreats, and a masterful interplay between modern design and the building's industrial heritage. The fitness mogul's residence stands not just as a home but as a testament to the artistry of space, where every detail contributes to a narrative of refined living in the bustling metropolis.